What am I doing today? I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know why I'm here. So you guys liked the last video, and that's not me, is it? So the video you guys are just as infatuated with as I am is the Tenebrous versus frickin' Kouklophis series. Now I'm very interested in this too because... oh shit. I'm interested in this journey partially because I hate grinding for long periods of time, and it seems like every time there's a season event, it makes more sense to wait. So I'm seeing if that's the case again. Last time we tested our might versus an Goku. We're going to be trying a more classic, traditional target. Well then, this is quite the interesting result, isn't it? So as it turns out, that's not me. Truthfully, this debate can be left up to player error at this point. They seem evenly matched with these times. I mean, I took damage here. This run is beyond scuffed. It's borderline unusable. However, because of the nature of Tenebrous' potential, I really believe there are times where Kouklophis is stronger and there are times when Tenebrous is stronger. You just need multiple runs to find out.